Good morning, everybody. Market just opened up right there. Okay, just setting up stuff. Look at, do you see something on a SPY? What happened here? Market touched down to 376, but they brought it back. You see that? Somebody mic is hot. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. QQQ flushing. Apple is going down, 130 touch. Apple touch 130 today, do you know that? Okay. Google is going high. Okay, volume buttons are using. Netflix touched down today, big. Good morning, good morning. Market selling off. Ticks are well controlled. Price is well controlled. VIX is controlled right now a little bit. Checking in. Apple is like, woohoo. Apple say, I cannot, man, I want to go down. Now just a volume button right now. Everything looking interesting right now. Remember, everybody's bearish today. All retailers are bearish because of the Japan yen, right? That's why this event is happening. We gotta wait for it, whatever the event brings in, right? So right here, I'm still in setting a few things on my, nothing to run. Bear with me. We have the price of control line controlling everything, so that's fine. I'm gonna wait for some time. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Twitter. Everybody, good morning. Let's start with a disclaimer. This video audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Make sure you do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very, very risky. You could lose your entire portfolio. So right, price is getting control. Okay, let me bring some stuff so you all can see here. Market Apple says I cannot wait, guys. I want to go south. You follow? Apple says I don't want to wait. You can wait. I want to go 94. Okay, 94 cents. I mean 267 put QQQ. Remember, market is completely controlled, price or control line. So what does it mean? That means I go small. Still too early. Everything is too early. Remember, everything is too early. MACD is right here. Anytime when retailers are bearish, they want to take it up. That's the reason price of control line is here. So we are spending some time here. Apple is bouncing. Now Apple bounce, everything could go north. Remember that, right? That's why early entry is no good. Okay, Tesla going though. Tesla said, I cannot wait, guys. You got to go. That's fine. You know, that's what Tesla says. I want to go south, man. You can stay down, up. Already 350, 3 o'clock, 141, 290, 290. You know what? Let me exit my QQQ because that's garbage. 87. Price of control and there. What is 16 cents? 17 cents I'm out. But it was coin. Let me look for Tesla. I want to see Tesla something. If Tesla bounce, man, this could be a good entry. Tesla. So let me see how far the market goes. Okay, everybody's bear sitting in the bottom. Apple is going. So yep, Apple wants to. Okay, volume button Tesla right there. Tesla 232. Still better. Look at the Boeing flying high. Okay. All the EMA looking bullish. Absolutely. OBMA looking bullish. MACD looking bullish. We are above the VWAP. We are above the price of control line. Yep. Tesla is bullish right now. Broke the resistance. All right, Apple is looking bullish. Oh yes, ma. Somebody's mic is hot. All right, selling off. Tesla selling off. 245. Google. Tesla. NVIDIA got a weakness. All right. Okay, let's look at the flow. Apple bullish, AMD bullish, Microsoft bearish, TSM bearish. I'm sorry. Making sure. Tesla put coming in. Did you notice that? 260. 141, 260 I'm in. Put $2.60. Tesla got a weakness, Amazon got solid weakness. I love the Tesla today. I'm telling you. Loaded up on Tesla today. MACD in a bear. Absolutely. Today would be a Tesla day. Right there, 139 is the target probably. Remember the gap to be filled? You know that, right? That's where the Tesla. The support is here.
FedEx got.
What's that?
Federal Express earnings this evening.
FedEx are, oh, okay, FedEx. Yeah, well, too early right now. We can't go. FedEx. Oh, wow, look at the QQQ sell-off. Look at that, QQQ. Yep. So, QQQ cannot wait. That's what it looks like. So, man, I wish I could have hold my QQQ. 266, 76, 276. $84. 84 on Amazon, and I'm in 83 strike put. Too much sell of Amazon happen, okay, so it could little bounce. But Amazon had a big sell off today, huh? Interesting. Okay. Amazon testing the floor. Ticks are still holding. Google breaking the floor. Still dynamic to add it to S&P 500. Okay. I mean the put of QQQ, 88 cents, 266.
SPY broke yesterday's low, John.
Yep. Good. Amazon, QQQ, and Tesla. Look at Google is going, Apple is going, boom, boom, boom. Bounce coming in. SPY is going. Google little bouncing. Okay. Trying to bounce. Google, look at that. Google trying to bounce. Apple trying to bounce. Tesla trying. Let's see the weakness. See how far it brings. Meta going down. Boeing going down. Okay, let's see what else is coming in here. Tesla call comes in now. Wow, interesting. Be careful. That means Tesla turning something. Tesla holding the price. I got to exit then. 260. Okay, let me see here now. Wow, look at that power. Look at the power coming in. $87.88. I took a 1 cent loss on a QQQ. I'm out because I had too many positions everywhere. So I think I'd rather focus on Tesla turning bullish, remember? Yep, everything is turning bullish. 230. Okay, I'm out. $2.30 on Tesla. Took 30 cent loss because I had a bigger positions. %11 loss. On 950 Tesla put coming in. Interesting. Okay, price of control line is here on a Tesla. Okay, metal going, metal low, LL. Meta got a weakness. Watch out on Tesla because market going down, Tesla is bouncing. Did you notice that? Look at that sloping support building up. Just to let you know, okay, something I see something, then we need to see if this rejection, this area, then I would be bearish. Until then, it's just sloping support building right here in this triangle. So let's see, does it have the power or not? Market always set up a trap. You never know in the beginning morning. Can be anything. Somebody mic is hot. You might need to mute. And whenever you want to talk, you can just unmute it. So it doesn't bother to others. Tesla has a price of control line right here, so that's why also. Already, Amazon. $0.84. Market could go higher, yep. Okay, Amazon got a price of control line there too, so that's why they want to control their 9 cents. $0.75. Took a 9 cent loss on Amazon too. I'm out. I have no position right now. Look like there is something drama coming in here. market, everybody's sentiment is super bearish, so I think they want to go north. I feel like that if the price of control and breaks it and fly to the higher, all the bears will be sitting at the bottom. I feel like that. That's the reversal. Look at this. We about this. Yep, absolutely, and that's the word we need to catch. Price of control, and absolutely everybody sitting in the bottom. How do I know, Josh? Yep, this is the game. That's the game they want to play. You got to be alert. You never know, right? One 116. Absolutely, QQQ flying high.
Yeah.
116. $269. $1.28. I mean QQQ. Breaking out. Everybody sitting at the bottom. I think they will take it up. Okay, so we have somewhere here a little bit supply 380. I don't know. Let's see. This is the MACD is bullish about the cloud. Yep, absolutely. We're gonna break through the roof right here. So the resistance is right here. This, at least this area target. QQQ. I'm playing QQQ. Okay. I'm gonna poke through that. Absolutely. Anything breakout, I'll allow that. Okay. Let's go. If this reaches here, I could recover my loss. Okay. Absolutely. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Mamma mia. Okay. 165. See that? Candles are staking, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Those are the one. Time to take the money. Rejection coming in. Rejection coming in. SPY is going. Look at that, everybody sitting at the bottom. 161 right there. Poke through the roof. Look at the power, right? 165. Okay, I'm out. $1.65. Because I had a bigger position. 37 cents. 29% profit, 28%. Alrighty, that's the resistance. Let's see what market does. Market still has a power. I think, yep, absolutely. But I don't want to now. Yeah, still has a power. Market still has a power. Market trying to poke through. Yeah, market. No, we can go to here. Can go to here. Still has a power. I forgot totally, man. I exited. I look at the 165. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, ticks are turning a little bit, so I need to relax now a little bit. Just check coin. Coin is flying high. Yep, absolutely. Look at the coin. Coin is oversold. Everybody's bearish on coin, so coin is oversold. So taking coin. So every stock basically is not a coin. It's everybody bearish on every stock, right? So they want to take it up. All the bears are sitting at the bottom, and now today is a maybe bullish day. Remember yesterday I made the video. You can go and take a look at it. Never know, because this is everybody's sitting at the bottom, right? That's how they do. That's the game. You have to understand the part of the game. This is the dirty game they do. They want everybody gets smacked. Right now, all the bears right here. That's the way they did in the morning. First they gather all the bears, and then you know what they do, right? Exactly. All right. So 267, 74, 49. It's still bullish right here, okay? I don't see any weaknesses yet. Only the candle price action a little bit, that's it, but there is no happening on it yet. Coinbase is flying high. Tesla must be going high too. See, that's why I see my exit on Tesla, Amazon, everything. I was in a bearish right in the morning. Look at that, market went down. Tesla went down, everything went down. And see, I took all the loss. If I would have been holding hopes, I would have been smoked right now. I had a huge position on Tesla, right? Would have been smoked. Exactly. That's how you need to identify the event. Holding hope is so dangerous. So that's the perfect lesson. I'm losing money, but perfect lesson, you know, when you can learn. This is not good. Coin got a weakness. But right now, market wants to take it. Everybody's all the bear. They want to keep them down, and they want to keep the price up. So I don't expect anything to short, nothing to short, because their agenda is to make sure all the bear gets smoked. That's why they want to stay up. If you can identify the market maker moves and agenda, man, you can print, right? So what exactly happening? Alrighty, 77 cents. You might need to cover your mic, buddy, whomsoever it is sneezing. 77 cents. target is right here. That's the target SPY, right? So let's do this now. Gotta get out of this. Just a second. Okay, let me clean up my chart a little bit. Yesterday work is still there. Okay, so we have all the way up here. If we break these, man, beautiful, then baby gonna go to the moon. Previous day high is right here. Yep, baby wants to go. Yep, absolutely. So I don't see weakness here yet. Yeah, might be a pullback, something little bit that can happen, but I still see a strength. Once the weakness comes, I'll let you know. Nvidia is printing, absolutely. Every stock took off. Good job. Man, Boeing got a weakness. But nope. Netflix. Netflix got a diversion. Right now market is bullish, so we can't look at that. Look at that candle, all these, right? Reversal. Can you imagine, guys? The price of control line poke through. That's it. I told you guys, look, this is going to my end. See, this is how it poked to the price of control line in one shot. Now, and when they want to go north, nobody bothering them, right? Because that they're creating demand into the market. When they create the demand, absolutely, they're gonna poke through, right? They can easily poke through. Okay, interesting. Okay, market got a weakness. Yep, absolutely. Temporary weakness. MACD crossing. VWAP. 72 cents. I mean 268 put. 268 put. QQQ. I'm thinking maybe if you test the VWAP until at least VWAP, if that does, and if it bounce, then I'll exit. I do not expect market to be bearish right now to going down. Okay, it's just temporary. So when I play like this, I play small. Because do you see candle staking? No, this is just a look at that. See, this is how you get smoked. And I knew that I'm supposed to buy the call instead of put. 72.65. Got to exit. 61. The candle I didn't expect. Always happens. I knew that. 60 cents. Took a loss. Took a 11 cent loss. 12 cent loss. MACD still bearish right here, remember that. Once this breaks, I would go heavy load. Until then, whatever I play small size. Anything here, nothing. Just a testing. MACD want to cross, wants to go north right there. Yep. MACD is south. Reversal we need. We would definitely go and test this. Look, I feel like that, but I want to see whether it's really power market has a power or weakness, or this is just a setting up the bear trap and just to go and spend some time out here. That's what so we might test here, go a little higher, create a diversion, or want to go really north and keep going continuous. That's what I'm interested in continuation to find out. Okay, so we go higher, that can happen. It's gonna shoot up, but I'm not going right now anywhere. I want to see either this is diversion or they want to really continuation. Apple turning up. Yep, everything is turning up. Apple is HOD. Everything is HOD. Right? Meta. Everything reversal. QQQ got a weakness. Okay, so look like this could be a divergence, so they may go a little higher probably and then get a rejection and compress out here probably. Most likely, I'm thinking, I don't know. This is Tesla. All right, let's see the flow. Tesla snap call coming in. No alert. What is W doing? Tesla giving up. PayPal.
Josh, would you say maybe like an M pattern on the 1 minute or not really?
Oh, low. What happened this candle, man? SPY. Sell off. Yeah, man, there's a weakness in the market. Somebody knows. Look at that diversion. Yeah. M pattern. Look at that. Somebody knows something. That's what happened. Somebody sell off and market maker cover it up. Something is going on. Something is cooking. Look at that. You see this? Big sell order. So, but market maker, look at that. We already have a weakness. Market got a weakness. So price doesn't mean the price cannot go up. Okay. Remember, guys, you have to understand the technicals. Those who took the class, they understand what I'm talking about. Price does not have the weakness. Only thing is the market overall condition. So it's like a simple language. You're driving the car, you're tired, but the car you still driving because you think you want to pull back, but still you continuously driving. That's what it is right here. Until how long? Yeah, it could drive another $1 right here. You never know, right? That's why we need to wait and see really how far it could go. Absolutely. Amazon already got the weakness. Google already got the weakness. Tesla already got the weakness. Tesla breaking the floor, breaking the trend line, man. Tesla looking weak. So highest week started the weakness is Tesla. Tesla. Tesla, Google got a weakness. Yep. Apple is still going. Volume button is getting controlled by Apple. Yep, shooting star like that. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Breaking out, right? That's your. Okay, so that's this. Okay, so what else now? If they are candle building up or not? That's what I need to see. Look at that breakout. That's, yeah, still bullish. Absolutely. Okay, so that's a beautiful. Okay. QQQ has a diversion actually, if you ask me, but constantly going up. Squeeze coming in. So if you break the trend line, then we could go lower. Or if we continue, then power would continue and go higher. That's the squeeze telling me. So we are, all the EMAs are bullish, MACD bullish. Okay. If this breaks, definitely we're gonna have a beautiful time, because I feel like divergent, giving up. Okay. Yep. Absolutely. $1.58 I paid on a SPY, 382. Market might not give up fast like that, okay? They could go one leg higher also, remember, even the divergent, they could go one more leg higher. Yeah, everything possible. Market shows weakness, but the price would not show. In another language is you want to pull over the car, but car is still driving for further north, you follow? That's how things are. So look at that bullishness. That's the game. So, going early. And Tesla got already weakness. Yeah, I think they could go still a little bit here. After 1 hour, probably you will see weakness, maybe 1 or 2 hours. God knows that's how they will say. I will exit my positions, too early entry. Take a loss. That's the weak about the body. You see, that's your divergent. That's the right there. It's telling you there is a weakness market has. Yeah. But I'll take a loss, man. Higher, low, higher. Still bullish. Look at the squeeze. It's telling you continuation weakness. Look at Microsoft, Apple, and Google. Every sell order they're buying back. $135. Yeah, they want to go higher, man. $1.22. I'm out. 27% loss again. Okay. Man, I need to, okay. Super duper strong now. Look at that. Yeah, breaking up. They want to go higher. Can't think of anything now. 69 cents. So where are we heading? Heading up there. There might be some pullback because of all the bulls. See that W pattern forming? I feel like there might be some pullback, but slight, small, nothing big. Yep, they don't want to even go look back any pullback. That's the strength they have. Man, look at the bear. MACD and signal line is hugging and kissing, and MACD is super bearish, but the price is not. But we're still holding up there in the bull territory. So that's the strength market has it. Look at the cloud, strong cloud. Look at the MACD and signal line hugging and kissing. MACD pointing south. Rising wedge. That could, if that wedge can break upward or can break up downward. That's what I need to watch. If they break downward, that's what it looks to me. But hey, that's the game. That's what I say. MACD looking super bearish to me.
You know, Mr. Josh, every time you're like, oh, the market makers are controlling it, the market makers are controlling it, it never made sense to me. But looking at like the chart today, like the 1 minute and the 5 minute, you can definitely tell they're like, they don't want it to fall.
Absolutely agree with you. So anytime you want to short today, be careful. It could be a light moment because they want to make sure all these bears are sitting in the bottom. Doesn't mean they're gonna go immediately down. You can go a little down. So that's what I've been saying, these divergence, and you know, I did my early entry too earlier. Now it's looking bearish. Trend line broken, 135. I'm in my put, same one, SPY, 382, $1.35 I paid. So any sell-off comes when a bull, always buyer buys. You follow? That's what happens. So that's why you got to give a little market at time and see what exactly it brings. Because look, see this sell, buy, sell, too much buy, right? So any sell-off happen, don't get excited too much because you know market maker doesn't want to go down. The system doesn't want to go. Any sells off, immediately buys back. So you know you don't get any shorting. Like look at 3 candles, right? You don't get anything. And that's how powerful it is. Despite MACD bearishness, right? Because they know that people are getting excited to buy the puts, but you see the dots are all the moving average. You see this, as long as we're below that, a little bearish. If the cross above is bullish, all the dot, you see this, all the dots. That's market weakness and strength. Ticks are down, price is up. See the difference? That's why today be careful on right now. Anything. Look at the solid bearish divergence, right? You see that? You took all the people who took the class, you understand all this what happening, right? Now look at that. But hey, price is still holding. Look at the over here support too. So maybe they spend somewhere around an hour or so. Then we'll see. Right now it's just the burning premium game. Snap is bullish. EMD bullish today. Every stock is bullish today. Remember, so instead of shorting, be careful. They could immediately go up. I think they might compress here a little bit. That divergence might not even last little probably, and then could bounce and go higher also, okay? Because there's a lot more stocks are down today. I mean, was down last five days, right? So a couple of times retest probably they might do. Let's see. Bank of Japan gonna buy more what is it, JGB? So has a print to buy. Okay, so oh wow, look at the price of control, and right there, that means they don't want to go down, guys. Okay, they do not want to take it down. Market wants to bullish 135. I got to exit. $135. I try to exit. Break even if I can exit. I have a guarantee this is not they do not want to go down. Most likely this is just that's why price coming in, but market wanna buy back 138. Okay. $145. I don't trust the red. 145, I'm out. $0.07 profit. I bet you they don't want to go down. Though the squeeze coming in, the squeeze is telling this is a lot of weakness, right? But man, I'm telling you, this is powerful right now. Look at that. Yep, out by the call here. 91 cents. MACD is super duper bearish, right? $382. Looking at how. So now market will compress because they don't want to go down. Remember that. Market maker decided not to go down. So if anybody short, would be very careful until they release the door. Gateway of bear is closed. Bear territory is closed. Yeah. That's it. So this is your bear diversion. Let's see. I figured we'll be spending some time. So bank of yesterday, guys. I really right here. I tweet yesterday night. 10 minutes ago, I came to know that something is definitely cooking. So yesterday I posted. Just a second. Let me delete these. And that video become viral. This I posted, and within 5 minutes, 1,000 views immediately. Normally on Twitter you don't get view like look, the market views are 600, 500 views, right? On this one 670 views, but this has a 10,000 views. That was the breaking news. Japan yen spike against the US dollar, and market is in the Asian Pacific fall as the Bank of Japan modified its yield curve control tolerance range while holding the ultra low benchmark of interest rate. So, and that video became a viral yesterday night. I posted around 11:30 or something like that Eastern time. But so what does it mean? What exactly happened? People will be interested. Market was down 250 points. Market was down. So Japan has a big shortage of US dollar, right? So instead of selling the US Treasury, probably they want to buy back their currency. So how do they do that? They have to sell the US dollar, but they have to bring the US dollar down. If they bring the US value down, what do? They have to sell the US dollar. But how can they sell the US dollar? One thing is they can go and sell their treasury, get the dollar and sell the dollar and buy back their currency, right? That's the one way. Then second way is to right here they brought down the tolerance levels of their yield curve. So if the yield is going down, what happens is their currency goes strengthened. So all of a sudden their currency got strengthened right here. JPY USD right here, right? And then spike. So this is US dollar JPY, USD JPY. So you can see number. Look at that. This is daily. Look at that flush. So yesterday is continuously, right? So that happened. Look at that. Boom. Never happened in history like this. 137 to 132 dollar, almost 3.5% US dollar down right here, right? That's the big jolt to the market. But hey, if they want to do it that way, that's fine. And then they can buy back the US dollar probably, right? And then sell. Buy back their currency. They are trying to buy their currency back. So people, those who are seller, they buy their currency and sell the US dollar. That's why market was super bearish today, right? So now market is bearish. They don't want market to go down. Every bear is sitting at the bottom. Look at the market strength. Super strong market today, right? But MACD say I cannot go north. That's the one thing I noticed. But the market maker say nope. You cannot go south also. So I'm not trading right now. Let's see if they decide to take it up or not. They already washed out all the bears. They're holding the hopes. And if they compress here about an hour or 2 hours, God knows how long. So we need to now find out their agenda is they want to just compress out here or take it up. And that's what we need to see. Today I have a horrible day. I'm telling you guys, I do not have a good day. Whatever I did didn't work out. Even though despite the direction I could figured, but market, every divergence, everything is going opposite direction. Though it was early indication, right? I'll announce here that market has a reversal, folks. That's the early indication I gave. Then I made some money here, but This scared me. I thought probably this is the divergent, but they continue. Correct. Japan is not. Japan doesn't want to tightening anything right now. In that they want to keep their balance sheet keep growing. That's the reason. If you look at the GDP to debt ratio is growing big time. The Sangeeta Josh, you said sometime best. Yeah, I don't go crazy. I knew what is happening here, so nothing big, no big deal. But look at the strong support out here. MACD slowly giving up. That's fine, but we have a price of control and support out here. Is it possible to SPY compress and break down instead of another leg up? Compress. But yeah, possibilities are there, and that's the reason I'm waiting for the events. I need to recover the loss, right? So I'm waiting for it, but I cannot short and I cannot go long. That's the situation right now. So why would I trade? I just need to be patientful, right? If the event is not there, why would I go? And market. So why there are two things. One is market ran up too much right here, right? So I feel like market wants to go, but the car is already telling me, say, hey, car is going up, driving north, but the driver is saying, hey, I want to pull back. You follow? That's what it looks like. So driver is tired. So, but the price of control line, if you look at it here, it says nope. This south side direction is closed. You can't go. That's your price of control line. So I cannot go south. So then I cannot go north, I cannot go south. So why would I burn my money? And that's what is last 30 minutes happening. Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Can you make any money? No, burn your premium. So that's why I identify not to trade. Even if they go, I cannot go north. Even if they go on the south, I cannot go south. All the squeeze are building up. Look at that constant squeeze. What is squeeze? Constant squeeze, relative strength, relative weakness, right? So based on that, it looked like getting squeeze probably gonna shoot up to the north, shoot up to the south. I don't know, but going south is why the south door is closed, because all the bears are sitting here. If they go right away south, then all these bears get excited and they get into the premium. So to burn their premium, they might go after 1 o'clock, maybe after a couple of hours. So they're gonna just burn the time here, right? And keep today probably bullish day probably, because everybody's bearish. Look at that. See that the market trying to poke through, and look at that right here. Price of control line doesn't allow. When they release the pressure, then I would go and short. I love to short, but I don't want to go. I cannot go. I don't have the power. Look at that candle. If this breaks and candle close, I can go and short. 380. See that? QQQ has a lot of pressure. Solid pressure downward right now, if you ask me, man. But hey, yep, candle is allowing right there. 55 cents, 380 put on a SPY. Yep, baby wants to roll. Loving it. When market allow, man, that's it. That's your the Hoover Dam gate opened up. Okay, Hoover Dam came out. This is the VWAP right here. VWAP target. Well, let's see now. Man, I need to recover my. This is the beautiful, man. Look at that setup, right? Now, baby gonna roll. That's your diversion. I announced way early, right? This is the beautiful setup. Josh, how do you know all this? Right? Those who took a classes, they understand, guys. Right here, right here. This is how we print big time, man. I'm telling you. So the cloud support is right here, okay. 380. That's okay. 381. Okay. Ticks are already 500. Okay, good. Wow, look at that, man. It's a printing right now. I'm telling you, man. I'm loaded up on a printing. I need. Okay, 72 cents. Gotta take the money. 600 ticks are. Make the enter into 75. Look at that. Every bounce, expect the pullback. Man, I had a 36% profit. Couldn't. I thought maybe 50% profit I was thinking for. Too much greedy. Because target is here. And if I get 50, I'll be most happy. Tesla is the most weak stock, guys. I announced already. Tesla breaking the LOD, low of the day. Tesla. Solid weakness. Tesla has it. Tesla breaking down. QQQ bouncing. Boeing. Tesla LOD, low of the day. Highest weakness, Tesla has it. Man, this is kidding me, man. These people. Yeah. The cloud support, you see that? That's the support they're trying to bounce, and all the EMAs are not bearish. So temporary, you expect the bounce, right? And that's what's going on. They could test the price of control line or not. When MACD is already in a bear territory, okay. So small. Yep, right there. Boom. Tesla. I need to focus here, man. This market it could bounce. Remember that. Gonna go and test the price of control line 57. $0.59. I'm out. took a 4-cent profit, and I will re-enter back when the price of control line get tested because I had a bigger position. Man, there's a lot more weakness market has it. These people not let it go. $260. Okay, right there, price of control line is right there. Okay, all right, good. 260, 62 cent back in again, same one. 62 cent back in. Cloud support right there. If you break this support, you could go lower. MACD already entered into bear territory. VWAP is right here. MACD telling me, EMA telling me, man, super duper bearish. Only thing is the long-term EMA is not lined up yet. Okay, so that means you can expect a little pullback. Price of control line is there, 70 cents. The EMAs are not lined up yet. Look at the strong support out here, cloud. I think, yeah, it could do any dirty game. Man. Meta still going up, market going down, Meta going up. Interesting. See that the cloud supports are short-term bearish. Okay, they could do. What's up, Jay? Come on. It's like a picture perfect, but they're not releasing the dam. The Hoover Dam need to open up the gate. Come on. Still all the EMA is not lined up. See that? So they might, then once they lines up, boom, boom, boom. That's support. $0.71, 10%. Amazon is giving up already. Tesla LOD. Tesla is still going. Absolutely, baby gonna roll today. Absolutely, that's the support right there. SPY. $0.72. Expect a little pullback. because they all will not lined up yet. Look at the pressure is not releasing this market. Not releasing the pressure. 74. Here we go. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Look at that pressure. Loving it. Okay, so VWAP is right here. VWAP, but hey, you know, that's your takes right there, which is around 380. 80 cents, man. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh boy, boy, boy. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. 46% profit. About to take the money and run. $90 to $95. 50% profit I need. Right there. Let's see what happened with the VWAP, guys. VWAP coming in, okay? VWAP coming in. The target, 95 cents. Right there, poke through. Poke through 98 cents. Pressure is downward. $0.92 I'm out. I had a bigger position, I told you. That's why I had a 98 cent, I couldn't take it. $48 profit. Finally, man. I tell you, I had to go through all the pain, man. It's a long pain. I was announcing that the market has a weakness, but look at that, guys. See this? This is how I trade, man. Did you see that? The whole thing. All these market bearish divergence, and I say not divergence. Market wants to go north. I announced that north. Look at that runoff, right? And then market was going up, up, and up, and I announced that hey, market has a weakness coming in, and look at that how we pick up the top, right? We pick up the top, right? Man, this market finally I recovered.
I'm glad you're back in the green from the horrible trades this morning, Josh. Congrats.
But when you put all your ammunition, when I see these price of control line give up, I announce, guys, if the market maker gonna give up the price of control line, man, that's it. This baby wants to go. And then pull back here. I took a 6 cent profit, but then this was the beautiful one which I announced. And then the VWAP target I announced right here, price draw. I was pressing the button right here, but I was waiting for $1. I put a $1, couldn't, and then I end up in 92 cents. Showed me 98. Premium, I'm talking about premium. All right, still market has now all the EMA not lined up yet too. So VWAP is gonna play, man. This market is amazing, right? Market gives all opportunity to trade. Boom, boom, boom. VWAP is breaking, absolutely. Back in the same game, 98 cents. Same game, look at that. Look at, this is how we print, man. This is how we print. Woohoo! Wow. Come on. Let that take the money. 116. Oh, let me see. Still got a weakness, absolutely. Yep, still holding. Anybody traded here? All this. Some people I know, man, they hold it, they don't care about VWAP, right? That's, I understand. Everybody has the way to trade. Absolutely, I agree with you. But man, look at that, man. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh, boy. 40% profit. Okay. Ticks are already 1,000. I'm about to take the money. One more candle right there, a little bit. 150. $1.50. I'm out. Yep. Man, I'm telling you, this is amazing. 53% profit. But this was the VWAP. I told you guys, I'll be entering into VWAP once the VWAP breaks, right? All the announcements. So these are the trades. When this kind of trade happens, you got it. The iron is hot. You got to hammer it, and then the rest of the Christmas tree, you just play ping pong, right? See, market gives all opportunity. You just need to learn to trade, man. You just that's what those who took the classes, you hope you understand how I announce all these earlys, right? Is it worth it, guys? What are the class you took, is it worth or no? Pays off your anybody made any money here? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna see if anybody made money here. Anybody traded here? All these announcement, right? All these announcement. Despite car was driving north, I said driver is tired. Remember, driver is tired. Okay, talk to me. 380 puts. Okay, 8 contract. Wow. Okay, good. Take the money and run. Yes, thank you, Spa. Okay, good. Just mentioning, whomsoever made whatever the percentage profit. I don't need a number, value, just the number. If anybody traded here, remember that we have right here weakness. Man, traded twice, Dennis. Okay, good, man. Great job, man. Great job, guys. Look at now, baby broke the cloud in a I told you this is the game they were playing. They wanted, look what happened in a pre-market right here. You see we went down here, right? But they know that all the retailers are bearish, so they took in the morning, they take it down. So we all get excited and buy the puts. When we buy the puts, I was in the same boat, buying Amazon put, buying Tesla put, buying QQQ, and then I realized, man, this is table is turning. When I see you see these all the dots right here, that when the price crossing, I figured something is cooking out here because the MACD is crossing and the squeeze is telling me that something is cooking behind the door. And I say, hey, look at that. So I took my loss. I had a big position on Tesla. I announced I had a big position on Tesla. So I took a little loss, but it's not big loss, right? That's the things. Because big position, you got to exit faster. And then I bought the call. I recovered some money. But then over here, this one didn't help much because of the green, red, green, red, green, red. But then divergence was right here. No, this divergence didn't work. This little divergence pulled back and took it up. And I announced it's too early divergence, man. But then market give up, man. Right? Yeah, that's how we trade, man. Doresh Patel, 35% profit. Good job. Congress to all, guys. Congress to everybody. B trader, 10% profit. Andy, 56% profit. Good job, man. 7-figure to be 54% profit. Good job. I wanted to cry at first. I was down 200. Yeah, look, market, you got to identify. That's the reason I said when the iron is hot, you got to hammer. That's what I teach in classes, right? When the iron is hot, that's how the sizing works. That's how all the detail works. Entry, exit works. All the combination I teach in class. But look, see how it is, guys. Let's click the like button. First of all, let's finish the like button because I was busy on things. Let's finish it up, the like button, if you can help, guys. Oh, only 55 lakhs, guys. Let's do it. 60.
We need 100 likes, or Josh is going to crash the stock market.
No. I don't work with the consequences. Yeah, I work with the love and affections. Holding as a unity. Everybody has to be. We are teamwork, right? Whatever I announce, whatever I find, I also go through the hard time too, right? In my life, when I trade, I don't have a golden boots, golden gloves. Still market has a weakness, but I would appreciate, guys. Let's, we should have it at least 200.
Hey Josh, that indicator that you were using on SPY, the one with the yellow dots, what's the name of that on?
I'll send it to you. The name on that one is one second. Okay, I'm doing something beautiful. Ring candle.
All right, perfect. I'm gonna have to set that up on my charts.
Okay, alrighty. So we have 200 people out here. See, guys, if you can make it 100. Let me see. Man, 84 likes, guys. We have 200 people. Really? Let's get it done. Let's ring the register in 2 minutes. Can you make it 16 likes in 2 minutes to get it done? Get that job done. How hard it is, guys. You know how much money I blow up to do, what do I trade, man? In exchange, I'm only asking for like and free of charge everything. We should get it done. This is faster. Every day morning wake up. We should, when market opens up, we should get the like done. Work as a team. Yeah, we all work as a team, and we can really, reach to the higher level. That's what I can tell you. MACD crossing 99 likes. Who will be the lucky one, guys? Who will be the lucky one to create 100? Who will be the lucky one to ring the register 100? 99 likes. Okay. And if you are on Twitter, guys, you can also, there's that live space. You can retweet that also. Would appreciate. Okay. Guys, all these your technical questions you got asking me, right? So best thing is take a classes, guys. Okay. It's not, you can learn. Best thing to do is take a class. All the technicals, take a classes and learn. That's what I tell you is worth it. I'm trying to give you 7 hours free of charge, whatever I have in my brain, right? Every day I do that. Rest of the things, that's why I keep it subscription free. No subscription, nothing, keep it free. And put money towards your education rather than giving out to the market maker, right? Giving out to instead of giving to the market maker, give yourself education in exchange of think that this is your subscription. So instead of giving subscription, put towards your education. That's how I would tell people. So that way you benefit out of it. You follow? I give one private classes. That's more worth it. That's why all the people who are out here, they know they took classes, they understand. But knowing little bit here and there, you might lose your account. You blow up your account. Half knowledge is not a good knowledge. All these, whatever I do, that's what I teach you in class, right? So that way, we are all then we could be all in the same page. MACD is compressing. Market wants to go north. Look at Tesla, man. Solid weakness today, right? Tesla touched on 142. Tesla gonna beat today 139. You think would fill the gap down? That gap, Tesla has a gap today. Tesla and Amazon are the most weakest stock I picked up in the morning. You know that, right? But then the market took a U-turn, right? And then I figured, man, exit. Now they are the weakest one. Market has a weakness. 379. $0.92. I mean 379 put. Here we go. Let's go. 108. Look at that bear flag. Wow. Take the money and run. Another weakness coming in 120. Ticks are bouncing. MACD is still bearish. MACD is still bearish, and the power is continuation. Okay, so that little bounce time being. Look right here. Trying to bounce. The ticks are turning positive. That's your diversion probably. Yeah. MACD crossing, guys. Okay, MACD crossing. Ticks are already positive a little bit. Okay, interesting. I could not exit last time, and I wish I could have exited. MACD is now bullish, so I don't expect this right now, right away. You gotta go to the pain. Gotta go to the pain now again. $99. MACD is still bullish. Remember that. So don't expect market to flush now. Right now, they're just squeezing in. Yeah, that's the diversion too. You might test this. Come on, man. Testing the patience. Still bullish. Remember, it could go higher. Yep. Okay, I'm out. $1.01. 9-cent profit. Right, 10% profit is sufficient for us. Ticks are turning positive. I had a 30%, 28, 25% profit. I end up in a 10% profit. Right. That's how it is, man. This, because of diversion, I was announcing a little bit here. So all the bears are sitting. This is the diversion right there. Market wants to go and test the VWAP right there. Alright guys, now I'm 100% cash. I'll be right back. Banana time. Interesting. Wow. Now you have the price of control line, doesn't want to push it down. That's why controlling. Price of control line is controlling. That's your bullish diversion in play. We have solid resistance. VWAP is up here. Meantime, if you can click the like, we have 115 likes. We need another 35 likes to make it 150. We need another 35 likes. Yep. Mm-hmm. Anybody traded Tesla today? After I announced that there's a support breaking down, this was the beautiful one to Tesla man today. Tesla the easy one. Tesla heading to 139. I announced that 139 today. Since morning, I've been saying this. Tesla has the highest weakness today, and that's what I announced. Solid weakness, Tesla. Then Amazon. I announced today Amazon and Tesla had this weakness more than any other stocks. Relative weaknesses. Yep, is bullish. VWAP is up here. When market going up, Tesla is LOD, low of the day. Okay, let's look at Tesla. Tesla wants to break the floor. Wow, Tesla again got a weakness. Yep. 340. Tesla, my price target, remember 139, guys? We are only $2 away. Can you believe it? That price target I told that will be happening 2023, and that time stock was like 300. Tesla was 300. Look at that is happening this year, man. I did not expect it's gonna happen in this year, but now it's gonna go down more. Tesla is in trouble. Elon Musk is in. Wow. It's not about that. It's about the auto industry right now is not going to perform well. Particularly all the inflation too much high. Everything costing too much right now. To build a car, the profitability is very, very low. Tesla is a big short, 2023, $22. Yeah, Tesla was $12, $11.85 right here. Look, Tesla was. I'm not trading to right here. Look at the Tesla low was. So this is what I said. So Tesla low $11.80. So when we all locked down, hold on, let me. Hide indicator right here. So you see that Tesla, when we locked down everybody, that time Tesla went down to $80. This is with the split, okay? $80, $11.80. So those who bought it at that time, absolutely, lot of people bought it at that time when they locked down, right? So they still have a 530% profit. Now there are some people who holding at the top at the pre-pandemic level, right? So those who bought it, they still have a, as of today's date, 125%, 120% profit, 122% profit right now. Still they are holding from pre-pandemic. And post-pandemic, those who bought it in pandemic, they still have a 500 now today went down, so 500% profit, right? So what market maker agenda is right now? All the balloon, right? I used to say, guys, in November in 2021, but that time I was not on Twitter, I was not live. I used to tell my friends and family. So I'll be making video in the holidays if I get time. I'll make the video. And my prediction of 2022, whatever I said, right? All this thing, what I was saying, I will bring the proof, what I was saying at that time, because market was super duper bullish, guys, okay? And I said that was going to happen. Man, we did it, okay? So that I will make, and plus I will predict my 2023, what do I think, what would happen. So those who follow me on Twitters and YouTube, if you can click the ring bell button when I post a video, you will come to know. So on a subscribe, right next to subscribe, there's a bell icon. If you click that, you'll get the alert. All right. So then I'll make that video. But anyway, point is right now the Tesla right here. So hope you understand here what happened. So Tesla was here $12, right? Then Tesla parabolic move. Every time parabolic move happens, absolutely right here, Tesla test the parabolic move, trend line, bounce, trend line, bounce. Whenever the trend line breaks, that parabolic move trend line breaks, we always go and test the linear line. We test the linear line right here and always bounce market, right? Linear line tested, bounce, and then we break the linear line. Whenever the market retest and breaks the linear line, always goes and test back the trend line, which is right here. I was thinking, man, Tesla could test? No way. That time was $320, right? But people don't believe because there are a lot of cult following. But you have to analyze, guys. I analyze everything about Tesla. Tesla price was the first meme stock. Kathy Wood predicted Tesla gonna be $5,000, and then the cult followers and meme followers and everybody invested into when we all locked down. That was the real truth which I was saying, but nobody knows because everybody thinks GME was the first meme stock. I tweet in February that hey, the Tesla is a meme stock. Basically, meme, at that time nobody knew what is meme. Meme started happening in April about the Amazon, I mean Apple, the AMCs and all those things. GME first started GME, right? But anyway, point is to tell you is that this is what exactly happening, and that's why. So reality is all the auto industry have all the PE ratio is around below 10, guys, always below 10. So Tesla, he was the milking cow, cow milking, giving all the milk to every day to the market maker. So earlier days, market maker used to short these, right? All the big guys, they used to short. But now, they have cult followers and all. So they, instead of shorting the company, what they did is they started with the box-in strategy. You know what is box-in strategy? You can defeat somebody doing a different strategy, right? One strategy to short it, okay. Second strategy to boxed in takes a longer time, but a weekly boxed in premium position. So people used to buy 300,000 contract on each strike. You can go and look at on the accounts and you see option activity, boom, big activity. So market maker love that premium. Every week billions and billions of dollars from Tesla coming in because the cult follower and they all other YouTubers and all, they pump. I'm gonna sell my house, I'm gonna sell my pants, I'm gonna sell my shirts, and they pump. Who loses the money? The people who follow those mafia, right? Because there are so many dummies in this world, they have no knowledge, including big analysts. I'm talking about so many analysts, they are highly educated economists, but believe me, they do not have the knowledge. Why Warren Buffett losing his portfolio is down? Why Kathy Wood portfolio is down? There is a reason, right? Something is something is not right there in the company. Despite billions of a lot of fund they are losing, somewhere is a problem. They need to figure it out, and that's why I give those value to you guys in a classes that how to invest, how to trade, daily trade, swing trade, investing, all the classes, guys. Dirt cheap, $1,000, right? Imagine if those who taking the classes is way worth it. Then Warren Buffett hiring people or paying millions of dollars salary. But that's what happening here, and that's how I said this. So people used to laugh, now they follow. So when I used to see, people used to hate me on Twitter, guys. You don't know, I used to go on Spaces. So I thought, you know what, forget about it. I do not want to participate into debate with anybody, and break my head, and I go through all this headache. It's better I express my opinions, my analysis. Now it's up to them. They like it or not. I'm not there. I'm not charging anybody. It's not a financial advice. I'm not charging anybody. They just need to learn. That's it. We are still in between ping pong, price of control line and VWAP line. So this is the bear cycle. Sorry. This is bear cycle. This is a bull cycle going on. Right, and that's how I landed here. There's a lot more thesis applies to it, but I keep making a lot of Tesla videos on a regular basis. Okay, so that's the price. So hold on. So that's why I said we could always go and test the trend line right here. Now that test line could be tested. Why? Because right now the financial fundamental class I give, in that you all learn that, right? What exactly happening with the financial strength and weaknesses, because social medias and all these, they don't know what they're talking, half the people. right? They will tell you all the projections. Kathy Wood believes in projections and forecastings, and as if she has a crystal ball. But that's not the way to trade, guys. That's not the way to invest, because time horizon they give you 2-3 months, and they themselves flip. They themselves, like people, like many YouTubers, they sell. They tell you, oh, by 2025 Tesla gonna be this, so it's the perfect time to buy. But what they do is they also they buy that, and within 1 or 2 months, then stock going down, and they get, oh, maybe I'll get a margin call, so I'm gonna sell my some positions. Follow? So why the hell did you buy at that time, right? If you do not know, that means your analysis is not right. So people do not what can I tell you, man? And they have a 2 million followers, okay? Those kind of people have millions of followers. And we have only 2,500 people here who follow Josh. Little, right? Nothing. VWAP is breaking. Yep, if VWAP breaks, I'm gonna buy. Market is, yeah. This is just now lunchtime, probably 12 o'clock. Okay, VWAP try to break. So once we break, I'll go 280. 81. They can break. Look, wants to go. $0.66. I mean 381.66. Call. Pull back. Is that's what the VWAP is. Still looking bullish everywhere. Is a green candle coming in. I'm not playing anything big, okay, guys? It still is looking good. I put my some percentage of profit here. I'm trading. Okay, yep, beautiful. Takes our tip. Right here, 380. That's target first. Take the money and run, probably. Yep, look at that, beautiful. 81 cents. Okay. $0.80. Trying to get out. Maybe I think it could go here until here. 80 cents. This one candle 84, 85. Oh wow, look at that. Yep. 96. I'm out. That was a good profit, 45% profit. Not a big what we played here, but it's decent. It's okay, good enough. Remember, when the iron is hot, I got to hammer. Any breakout, I love in it. Okay, Jay says what? I'm still holding Tesla 141 put. Tesla, look at that market bouncing. Tesla is not. You see that the weakness? That's the sign. Yep. Mito Patel, Josh, if there is there any one thing I learned from watching your channel, buy and sell same day. Okay. Tesla. Yeah, because I'm 100% cash every day. At the end of the day, I'm 100% cash. I don't want to hold. But that doesn't mean, swing trading is different, because people do not know how to buy options, and they don't have knowledge how to trade, because they think, oh, just buy 0 DTE. If that is the case, everybody will be rich. Right? 0 DTE, you buy the fastest way to blow up your account if you do not know what you're doing. Right? Tesla what? Only FSD, automotive, taxis, etc. far from reality. Yeah, exactly, Jay, that's true. Those are all reality. That takes a long time. Jim Cramer, the astrologist, astrologist on a dot, but do opposite and you're good. Okay, Tesla following. No, that's not the way we trade. Like, whatever Jim Cramer says, do opposite. Yeah. Michael J. France, Tesla following the trend line. Yeah, exactly, guys. I've been posting everything, right? Look, when we were here also, right? When we bullish, when market was going down, you can go and look at the video. September. Oh, sorry, right here. When market was going down, Tesla was going up. And I say, hey, we were buying calls, and I say, hey, we have a rejection diversion, and we could go lower, but I'm not gonna go until the trend line breaks. When trend line breaks, we announced, we were live here. Look, we've been shorting. Look at that, and then little bounce, and then again, and people were saying, oh wow, that's it. Now the bottom out, $200, 199 Tesla, dirt cheap. People loaded up. People thought, okay, let me go and buy. Everybody loaded up here at 230. It's dirt cheap. Right? And then boom, went down to 167. So all people got smoked, including many YouTubers, those who they think they are champion of trading, champion of investing, giving example to others that, hey, they have millions of followers, say this is a good buy. Nobody has a knowledge, man, how to invest, because remember what the people who took my classes don't understand. What do I say? That there are 3 different cycles, right? One is the intraday trading, second one is swing trading, and third one is investing, and the fourth one is those dummies do, speculating. Speculating is the fourth style of investing. That's what is called fourth style. And then the fifth one, if you ask me, dollar cost average. Right? Dollar down investing. Buy here, oh, it went down again. Buy here, oh, it went down. Buy here, oh, it went down again. Buy here. That's called dollar cost averaging investing. Right? That's what they teach it in schools. In my kid says that in schools they teach, in high schools and whatever he's learning. It's in the book. So there are so many things I am against the books. There are variables. I'm not saying the variable doesn't apply every time, but just to give you an idea. That's why books is written for some reason. But hey, so I'm not talking about just Tesla. It's many stocks, man. EMC really. We have resistance around $5. AMC, you're playing against the market makers. I don't want to trade like that. Without 0% into QE, there is no bull market. Yep. Story of 22 rate hikes. QT. Right now, market did not even do the QT yet. What would happen to quantitative tightening when they do that? I'm trying to divert my mind. I don't want to trade. Whatever the money we make, we need to preserve, right? Mithul Patel, Tesla always bug me because how they are bigger than Toyota, Ford, and Chevy by so big. Tesla is not big actually. So let me see something. If I have it, I can bring it to you guys. Okay, right here, something I can bring here. Okay, right here. This is Tesla market cap. Look at the market cap of Tesla, okay? Now, see that? Almost $500 billion market cap of Tesla compared to BMW, Mercedes. Market cap is 50 billion right here. 50, 60 billion, right? Market cap, right? What is market cap? Market cap is speculative price which we bet on it, and that's what we give. That's become market cap. Now, look at here. Look at the production of the car production. 2022 last 3 quarters, Tesla production is less than 1 million. BMW double the production of the cars selling right here. Mercedes, look at that, right? Look at that. But market cap of BMW and Mercedes. So let me bring these two things together so you can see. Hold on. Okay, so this is what you see, right? Look at the market cap of Tesla. So that has a lot more air in the balloon. See that? Based off these. Look at that, BMW, Mercedes, how many cars they are making, right? So, but there's a lot of cult followers. They're gonna just stick to whatever they think. They don't stick to the real numbers. Okay. Anybody is first day today in this community? Anybody? Just curious to know if anybody. So when I give a financial class, it's all manipulated, right? Absolutely. So that's the reason I believe in financial fundamentals. So when I give my financial fundamental class, and that's how I reach. It's not just based of technicals. I combine varieties of things. That's why Warren Buffett lost money, because there is somewhere is an open window. You have a tsunami coming in, you close all the doors of all the windows, doors and everything, but you keep the your basement window open, teeny mini window open. What do you think? Tsunami not gonna come and blow up? Same thing. Warren Buffett kept the one small basement window open, and that's why he's losing $60 billion right now. I'm telling you the truth. Oh, market bouncing, rebounding. You follow? That's how it is. This you got to understand. Every day you get out of the house, you're gonna have the same cloud over the head. One day rainy, one day cloudy, one day every day different cloud. You just need to identify what kind of cloud is outside, and you don't need to get expose your investment. If you do not know, you're gonna lose money, right? That's what is happening with the Cathy Wood. That's what's happening with the Warren Buffett, happening with others, but not happening with the Ken Griffin, right? Citadel CEO. He's printing money. Market looking bullish, wants to go north. Absolutely, let's go north. $0.63. Okay, I'm in 63 cents, 382 call. I'm playing very, very small. Very, very small. So it becomes 0 also, I'm okay. It's like a because market is compressing out here, I guess. It's just yeah, MACD is not even supportive. All the EMA is bullish. So market might go and test the supply out here, this area right here, you see this, and then we need to see what happens. Oh, weakness coming in, get out of it. 54. Okay, I'm out, 54 cents. Took a 9-cent loss. I was playing coin. Let me focus here, man. I don't want to trade here anything. Yeah, Musk has a lot of good businesses. He just need to limit himself into the limited things and do the right things. Focus on productive things wherever the. But he thought, look, guys. Let me explain you what happened. Okay, and this is the truth. Okay, there is nowhere nobody is talking about it. The fact is this: if everybody locked down, right, and Tesla is also factory closed down and stock is going up because of Cathy Wood echo and Elon Musk pump, everybody pump, right, and pump can bring the market cap of Tesla to $1 trillion when Tesla everybody locked down. That power, do you know what that power it is? Big time power, right? Called following. So now Elon Musk think, man, if I put all this effort and my stock was not even going up, my price, company doesn't grow fast, and making profitability is so hard, man. You got to sweat to make money, and then all this social media, get together, holding hands, and take it to the north. Oh wow, diversion. VWAP is right there. I'm not gonna short. No, it's right there. Right now, I think like I'm gonna avoid myself. You follow? So that's why I'm educating stuff what I see here. So just my goal is to avoid right now. Maybe at a later stage I see. Because they can bounce, trap these, and then I boil my blood out here. It's okay. I want to save my money what I made. I hope you understand that. Okay, because they are just wasting everybody's time. Okay, Pandora, that's your first day out here. Okay, welcome you TopTradingEdge, man. Welcome. Found you by coincidence on YouTube. Okay, thank you for being here. Welcome, and spend some time. Don't judge Josh in one day, okay, please. Because sometimes people judge somebody in one day. No, right? You need to date, right? Before we get married. Right? So a happy coincidence. Yep, absolutely. That's why we are happy to be here with you, Professor CMG, cheap and deep. CMG? Okay, ninth print power by Fed. Josh, are you suggesting Buffett should have liquidated all his positions and should have started day trading? Shantanu, I never said that. You don't know. You didn't take any classes, right? So your argument is wrong. Okay. So in a simple language, what I tell everybody is anybody who is investing money, right? Investing money is nothing but the making money, right? Your goal is to make the money. Make sure you don't lose money. So for that reason, whatever you have to do, you have to do, because you hired a lot of employee. You're paying tons of money to lose the money. No, right? So lose the money means, oh no, but I'm gonna losing only for 1 year or 2 years of, man. 2008 recession, right? 2008, it took us 6 years to get back to the same price where you bought your SPY. 6 years you took to get back to your price, right? Exactly. So the pain, if you're willing to go through the pain and you believe in your strategy, what you think I'm doing, and I will okay with that pain, 6 years, yeah, no problem. 6 years, 4 years, 3 years, absolutely, then it's fine. Right? But what I believe in is that if you are investors, your profitability should be content should not be loss, should be not be in the loss, big loss. If you invest big, so then you have to plan out, right? Your strategy should be profitable. That's why you are the people. That's why you have a people. Every year you should be profitable. I'm not saying every days, every week, not every quarter, but at the end of the year you should be profitable. Whatever you have to, when you hire employee, make sure that company is profitable every year, if you cannot be on every quarter. But holding hopes for 6 years, 5 years, and that's the wrong strategy. Doesn't matter you are a Warren Buffett or Elon Musk, I don't care. That's my strategy. You have to be profitable at the end of the year, otherwise pointless. Oh no, but I can make money for after 5 years. Yeah, you can. I'm not saying, but that's not me. People get squeezed. Particularly running company, you got to be profitable. If you're an individual, understand. Shantanu, I'm not debating about his 10-year cycles, because that's him. 10 year, he is now 98 year, right? That his, I don't have a cycle of that, but my point to explain you is, every year profitability is important. Why company lose, right? Why company lose this year, maybe next year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years? Why company lose? So being profitable is not a good strategy. How can you be profitable? Work towards that direction. That's what I mean to say. If you have money, you're investing, you need to work toward to be profitable. That's what I mean. Company has to work toward the profitability, not to remain in a loss for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, right? That's what I mean to say. Rather than blaming Fed, blaming economy, blaming recession, right? There are people who are making money. There has to be strategy. Investment is just the investment. It doesn't have to stick to my Oxy and doesn't have to stick to with the Apple, right? Strategy. That's what I mean to say. So anyway, Shantanu, take it easy. George, is the professor from the movie 21 follow the rules? Yeah, he said not a single window should be open for cannot have any error in order to win the race. But that's different strategy right now. That movie 21 doesn't apply here. I mean, this strategy is, this is not an intraday, right? What I'm talking about, investing is different, swing trading is different, intraday trading is different. So I'm talking about speculating is different, right? That's what I was talking about. Yeah. Fed is buying junk bond. Yep. We have a huge spread difference on the the bond market yield, and if you take a look at the treasury bond yield, and if you take a look at the corporate bond yield, whenever the yield, whenever the bond market has a spread on yield, that's very, very bad. That yield has to be parallelly going in order to have the healthy market economy, right? That spread has to bring it down. Right now spread is way wide in there, so that's why market could be in a trouble. Okay, market trying to bounce. Yeah, bullish. Tesla is still testing the floor. Right now market is compressing, so Tesla is right there. Tesla is looking bullish right now. Cup and handle setting up. Beautiful bullishness, guys. Brenda, look at the Noble. No, he also called it with the Josh. No, but he was super bullish on oil. They were super duper bullish on oil. I was not. I was in fact against the oil at that time. They were all oil mafia was lobbying, and a lot of people lost money in his spaces where people he allowed every mafia to pump oil. And people come to my space at that time and asking me about oil. I said, guys, look, anytime parabolic moves, 150% moves, you got to pull back yourself, let it go. They're going to pump, all the mafia pump, you get trapped holding bags. And guess what? Oil went down to, that time oil was $129. So it's crazy. And people used to ask me question, when something is hot, people think, oh, let me go and jump. And that's what all the retailer left holding bags, and the mafia also hold bags. Remember, mafia doesn't even, they also hold bags because they are dummies. They don't know. They just pump. They are just a pawn. They are the middle of the pawn. Just like the big guns, those who produce the oil, they are the big one, not the people who's talking mafia on a Twitter spaces and They are just the middleman pawn, and we are the retailers, and we listen to them, and we just carry our bags, holding all time. That's how we are. That's why I I educate everybody. I made a videos and I tell everybody every time live how to stay. We have bottom line is our goal is to reach to destination. Or how do you reach to your the destination? Destination has to be dollar green. Doesn't matter you get dollar from oil trading, Tesla trading, investing, swing trading, whatever you do. You just need to find out which flight to catch, whichever industry you want to trade, but not the risky one, which is oil. Already parabolic move. Anything parabolic moves, gotta be careful. That's what I tell. Just stay away, right? But when Oxy was $29, $30, man, I was super duper bullish. Cannot imagine. So many people, I guide them. Look at the weakness coming in. Double top weakness, divergence. Woohoo! 63 cents. Okay, I'm in 63 cents, 380 put. Still the MACD is not in the bear territory. Once the EMAs are not all these bearish yet. Okay, so if you compare with that, only thing is just the early diversion. Just a second. Let me see. Excuse me. Oh, price of control line is right there, man. That means market maker doesn't want to go down. Okay, let me see, down or up. Let's see. That's a resistance. Okay, so they're pushing it down. Okay, candle closing. Okay, candle bouncing. Okay, candle. Yep, that means they don't want to go north. Okay, so VWAP is right there. Look at that. Woohoo! Alrighty, time to take the money and run. Still waiting. Let's see what happened to VWAP in one shot breaks, or it's just gonna yep, 30% profit. Okay, Baby wants to roll. $0.82. Okay, I'm out 35% profit. Because VWAP is there, I want that to break. If they break, then I will again re-enter, but I'm sufficient what I made. Okay, this is how I trade. Those are the purpose cycle for the alert. That's fine. All oil always goes down if people judge. So if you look at the history of 100 years, I made a video earlier that every recession brings the oil lowest, always breaks that record breaking. So before the recession always spikes. You go and look at the history. Okay, I'm gonna trying to get back in. It breaks everywhere. So look, if you look at the history, always still not going. Sorry, I'm in a trying to think if we were breaking candle closing or bouncing, because if you look at the EMA, it's a temporary bearish. Yeah, all the EMA not lined up. Yeah, it can cross. Yep, weakness is there. Ticks are ticking. Yep, absolutely. Trend is bearish. Baby gonna roll. Yeah. Whenever market never breaks the support, I always have a doubt. They don't break the support in one shot, I suspect. But that's not mean, okay? It's just a 1 out of 10 time, or 2 out of 10 time. What's up, man? Okay, breaking down, VWAP. Okay, 83 cents. Okay, I'm in 380, 83 cents. Same one which I exited, 81, now paid in 83 cents. Still we are paddling at the VWAP. Oh, somebody said I got a FedEx put. Sorry, I didn't see a message until I write now. Okay, let me look. Yep, FedEx has a more weakness than anybody else you can imagine. Wow, good, man. Loving it. Beautiful. FedEx, this is the support right here. This is the demand. If this area, if market supports, then bounce or not, we need to watch, which is 165.70 area. Do you see this right here? Once the FedEx goes down. So whenever look at that, yeah. So this is perfect. Beautiful. FedEx is weakness. All right. Okay. Okay, VWAP is breaking down right now. I got a message from somebody, 408 area code. Hey, this is Mr. Gorav. I'm interested in your technical class. I'm a future trader. Okay, you trade futures. Okay, and the area I lag is exit. When market is turning, when market turning direction changes, something I struggle with. Okay, I use volume profile, I use POC, mid, low, range states. So entries are usually good, but if it turns, I'm not sure to exit to stay many times. Okay, gotcha. So you need to, yeah, not a problem. So if you want to take a class today, we have a class today. So please join the class today if you want. Instead of typing, I'm speaking here, so I don't have to type. Hope you understand. So if you want to take a class, let me know. If you want to enroll, we have a class today. If you can you take the class today? If you're listening, can you take a class at what is it today? 5 o'clock. Yeah, today we can do. Yeah, today after market close, 5 o'clock, which is 2 o'clock of your time. Is it possible? Where is the class? Okay, all right, guys. Sorry, I did not even today. I'll bring it to you so you can understand here. Let me see. So those who wants to take a class, whatever I trade, you see that right here. So this is what I do, guys. Always I do private classes where I take 2 to 5 students in class, and I send you a link after I make once you make the payment. Once you enroll for the class, you get the link, private link, class link, and that's where I take after market close. So this is the number to reach me, not the email. Email I check once in a month. This is the number you can text if you want to take a class. Say just like somebody just sent me a message. So if you want to take a class, click a picture. Before I take it off of the screen, click a picture, screenshot, so you have the information. And after market close, we can do a technical class, right? So whatever I do, that's what you're gonna learn. So if you want to take a class today, 5 o'clock. Where is the class? I give you a link. Once you make, if you like to enroll, first you need to let me know if you are interested. You can send a message if you are interested, and then once you send a message, and I give these other private classes. So you all learn. These are all the classes, guys. That's what I say. Educate yourself. Pay towards your education, and then you would understand how this market works, how to invest. You learn all this rather than throwing the dart on the wall and you think you're gonna hit the center, right? This is how I trade. So the way whatever I trade, that's what I teach people. Man, my positions, I got adjusted here. Ticks are going up. Price of control line is there. Yeah. How do we take a class? Usually, what you need is just a computer and make sure you have a headphone where I'll be sharing my screens. I don't need anything from you except the computer you should have where you working, and I'll be sharing my screen. Anybody can take the class. You do not have to have any technical knowledge. But then at least you'll be understand all the things what I teach, and then you're able to see what I do every day. Because some people say, Josh, I don't know. Okay, that's fine. Price of control line is right there. Got to add a little bit. Does your class come in Spanish? No, I do not know Spanish. So everything is live. Everything is one-on-one. I mean, it's a private class, not one-on-one, private class. So I do not know Spanish. Unfortunately, I do not speak Spanish, but you can convert whatever I speak if you want. Market trying to poke to the price of control line. Yep, like that. Look at the power, 56 cents. $0.55. Trying to bring my average down. I have small positions, okay. Okay, 56 cents. I mean, I brought my average to 62 cents. Okay, now I have a little decent size at least. Yep. Web is right there. 68 cents. $0.72. VWAP right there. 75 cents. I'm out. VWAP tested. See how I traded. 20% profit. See that? From here to here, market bounce, right? I figured the price of control line is here. So how did I use my price of control line? Because I know that market is going in opposite direction where my trade is going, but the price of control line was here, and I said let it break. If it breaks, most likely they're gonna have a rejection. So at least they're gonna go and pull back. And I added my position, double down more. So how do I double down? Normally I don't believe in double down, but sometime I do. So I double down here and bring my cost down, and then this one red candle gives me 20 cents profit, 20% profit. All right, so let's see what market is doing out here. All right, so market has a resistance. You see this resistance right here. So this wedge has been created right here. This is right. That's the bullish wedge. So we are compressing here in the VWAP area right here. So we got to be very careful whatever they do. Supply is out here, up here. If they want to go shoot up, right? So one time we got a rejection, second time got rejection, third time they break right here, and we could go and test this area. Got to be careful because that's what it looks like. They're gonna fake out here, and then we'll see. right? Because every time this is this right here, you see there's every supply here, rejection, rejection, rejection. That could happen or it can break. So this could be a good short area. Anyway, we have the price of control line, so I'm not gonna go crazy here. Look at the Tesla yep, LOD. Tesla gonna test 139. I don't know today or not. Guys, see if you can click the like button. We have 136 likes. If you can make it 150, we need 14 more likes. Can we do it? We have 208 people out here on YouTube. See if we can do it. We are still, market is compressing in the middle. So we are at no man land zone right now at this particular point. The price of control line is controlling. See if we can make it. We have, man, 11 more likes needed. Only one person can click one time like, that's it. So people, there's a lot of people out there. See if we can help. And if you did not subscribe, if you like to subscribe, always post the video at the end of the day. Market update video also, so you can subscribe, you can get that too. We need 4 more likes, guys. 4 more likes. 150, we need 4 more. We stuck at 146. Tesla bouncing. Oh, thank you. 150, we got it, man. Beautiful. You guys are champion. Price of control line is controlling the price. Let me stand up. Look at that compression right there. At the same spot, same area. Hey Josh, my name is Sebastian. I'm from California and I want to take your technical class. On your live stream, you mentioned that you have a technical class today at 5. Yep, 5 Eastern time, okay? 2 o'clock of your time. I won't be able to make that to that class. I also have a technical class on a Saturday at 11 o'clock. For the I won't be able to make it to that class. When will you have your next technical class? And there are 6. So do you see what exactly market is doing right here? Right here, look at all the tug of war right here. Price of control is controlling out here. All the bears are sitting at the bottom. You see this gray area, all the bears sitting at the bottom, holding hope that this market will come down. Right, that's the game getting played. They are burning their premium. So 0 DT, those who buy, they burn the big time. That's how they lose the money. Market wants to go north. Remember what I said, it's gonna break this, can go to here. Price of control line is right there. Okay, market trying to break through W pattern. Price of control line is released. That's your support. That's your right here. Now we need to see what happened here. Rejection or MACD into the bull territory. And that's your, if this breaks, we're gonna go and buy the calls right here. If it is rejection, then we could go lower. So that's the interesting things to watch now. See that? That's your weak about the body. That is your area to be very careful. Okay, rejection coming in. 51 cents, I mean, same one, 380 put. I'm playing very small here. The reason behind is I'm trying something here. Okay. Still all the EMAs and everything looking bullish, okay? Only thing is, you see these clouds are getting smaller, skinnier. So no bids coming in. I need to see if really this supply creates and go higher or not. That's what I need to see. Because still we are above the price of control line, so it still is a bullish. Already supply is coming in. Let's see if that breaks through, then I'll exit. Okay. And I'll buy the call. Already market trying to create a demand already. Let's see. That resistance rejection I need to watch. Because all the technicals are bullish, okay, just to let you know. But I'm trying something out here. Yep, look at that. Google going, Apple going. Apple is already HOD. Meta is HOD. So tech stocks are all HOD. Breaking up, yep, breaking up. 51 cents. Yep, I'm out. 39 cents. When I go to the put call. $53.82. We're heading to 55 cents right here. I mean 382 call, 55 cents. Now this is the target right here. I announced, guys. Remember, that's my target now. If that happens. Oh, faking out. Faking out. Wow. Interesting, man. Well, supply is already broken right there. The train has left the station. How can it go back? It's bullish. Looks like Elon and some other fund is selling more. Otherwise, Tesla dumping when other mega caps are green. Doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, absolutely. Never fight with the Fed. Elon Musk started fight with the Fed. Politician. You never fight with politician being a CEO of the company, public listed company. Okay, look at the rejection. You see that? That's what I was talking about here. Still we did not left the stations. We are still at the station. Now that station goes north or south. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. Over here, whatever I'm doing is just trying, okay? I'm trying out some stuff. So be careful. Whatever I'm trading is nothing. I'm playing. Squeeze coming in. Wow. Yeah, weakness shows weakness, but the price is not. So well, Let's see. Bullishness shows up. Okay. Alrighty, baby wants to roll. Look at that bar, volume bar right there. This one, bullish. Tesla. Which analyst will be right? GLG Research $22. Kathy Woods is the sky is the limit. You got to identify agenda behind. Any analyst comes any price, need to identify their agenda behind. As long as their agenda in it, oh wow, yep, bullish. Okay. Sector. Market again showing the weakness.